Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to create my Ballerina tea light. It has two tiers with ombre roses on the first tier and some jewel designs on the top tier. You can find the template and instructions on paperchaserto.blogspot.ca. Here's what you'll need: some papers for the ombre roses, your cake template, and a battery operated tea light. We'll first start with the roses. I originally began with a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, which I cut lengthwise so that it measures 4.25 by 11. Then I create 1/2-inch strips, like so. Once you have your strips, we'll begin folding the roses. So grab one strip of paper and fold the corner down into a very long acute triangle, like so. Now fold the triangle in on itself along the bottom edge. Starting at the tip of the triangle, move down approximately 1/2 centimeter and fold down towards the opposite edge, about 1 centimeter or 2 away from your thumb. So essentially you're just folding back on the working end of your strip of paper. So then you're left with this obtuse angle. Now fold this piece in half lengthwise. It's the triangle that we initially folded. This piece will act as a spindle, as we will be wrapping the working end of the strip around this piece. With your thumb as a guide, begin spinning the working end of the strip around the spindle. Do this until you reach the edge of the fold, and you'll see that the working end will begin protruding a lot higher than the spindle. Now you want to fold your working end back on itself again to create another obtuse angle fold like we did before. Now keep doing this until you reach the end of the strip. With this technique of folding the rose, the bud is very tightly folded. It doesn't flare out that much. If you type in paper roses into YouTube, you'll see many tutorials where the roses are very flared out. They're really open. I don't want that look because I'm stacking the roses and I want them really nice and tightly packed. Once you've ran out of paper, apply a small pearl of glue and secure it into place. Here's what you should have. You'll find some roses don't end quite perfectly, so just glue down the end, then fold down any pieces that stick out too much. Once you have about 13 to 16 roses, snip off the extra piece at the end, and then we'll move on to piecing everything together. I'll first attach the face piece to the tea light. Then I'll attach the sides. I like to wrap the piece around my tea light first, making sure everything falls into place and nothing's crooked. Then I'll glue it down. So I created this cake design for an explosion box invitation. So if you're looking for any invitations for birthday parties, quinceañeras, wedding, my business email will be in the description bar below. Once your glue has dried, we can then attach the roses. So starting with your darkest color, glue it along the bottom edge of your light. Make sure the rose sits straight and doesn't slant too much up or down. This is because we're going to be stacking the roses. We want a nice even layer between them. If you're liking the content of my tutorials, let me know down below in the comments. If you're not liking what you see, still let me know down in the comments and tell me what kind of tutorials you want to see next. Once you've stuck on all your roses, we'll move on to sticking on the jewel designs. So I was looking through my sticker stash and I realized that I had ran out of the silver swirly gems. So instead of using that, I'm going to be using a pearl swirl design by Recollections. It's pretty much a sticker, so I just peel it off and stick it on. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you liked it, please share it with your family and friends and give this video a thumbs up. If you do give this a try, make sure you share your photo with me and tag me at paperchaserto either on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. I'll see you next time. Bye!